Hi guys, this is Shahnawaz and we are starting today this trip from Leh and the motorcycles are packed. I'm ready. And today we'll be going from Leh to Zangla. It would be a nice ride. That's what I can say. Majority of the ride has been prepared. So what we did yesterday, whatever excess luggage that we had, we prepared and shipped through a truck, and that truck went yesterday at 3 p.m. so that once we reach there, we have the whole setup of the ride at the campsite, and where we'll be setting up tents, we'll be setting up the whole thing. There'll be a hot water shower, and that's all of the preparation that we have made. Something which is very similar to BMW GS Trophy. These BMWs and Triumph over there, and then there are a few more BMWs and Triumph over there. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'm wearing this BMW dry rally BMW dry jacket and dry suit. So this is a waterproof suit, and underneath there is the BMW armor, and this is where I'm going to install the GoPro. And going down, that's the tally pants and the boots. I'm wearing a knee brace inside, and now let me show you the setup on the helmet. So I'll be riding with an adventure helmet, and so all of the guys are on Sena 50R or S, so we all would be synced via this communication system. I'll be using the Enduro Guard gloves. So these are waterproof 2-in-1 gloves. So you get two sections. One is the grip, the other one is waterproofing, and to top it up for my safety, the neck brace. I'm carrying a separate hydration bladder, and with that I'll be putting all the water in it. Hi guys, so we have reached Ule, and the boys are here. We are just waiting for 2-3 more motorcycles, and then we will start moving ahead. Till the time, we'll take a break and we'll probably munch something. So I'll keep you posted. Hi guys, so we have just reached Sirla. It's quite nice weather over here. We're enjoying. Half the guys have reached here and half are still down below over there into the loops. And now the objective is that we'll go past this. So we'll go from here and then down there into that valley. And then beyond those mountains, we will camp tonight.
Don't listen to him, he's bullshitting.
Kiran the rescuer. This is all downhill. Hi guys, I'm short of breath, but we have reached Zangla. It's almost like climbing mountain.
When you're going on straight path, don't take shortcuts.
Yes, when you're going on straight path, don't take shortcuts. I have the video on the GoPro. So
Shortcut taught us a few things in life.
yes. So not all shortcuts lead you to the right path. Moral of the story. But look at this view. Motorcycles, the mountains. There's no noise. Yeah, except us. We're making all the noise. Kiran, carry speed. Go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast. Yes, yes. So guys, we have stopped at location, which I don't know what it is, but look at the view. So now we are heading towards Zangla. I think that's going to be our last stop. We have only 2 hours of sunlight, and I think we are going to make it by the time. So let's go. Bye bye. Kiran, look here.
Tell him exactly which one.
No, he needs to look at me. That's why I'm standing here. Kiran, look at me. Look at me. Yes. Chalo, leave the clutch. Okay. So we are doing the water crossing. Assisted water crossing with the help of locals. Throttle! Yes! Aage dekho, look ahead. Hichak le. Guys, I am live from one of the biggest crossing at Zanskar at night, and you can see this is the river crossing, and our bikes are over there, and we are taking help of these local people to help us cross the river crossing. And yeah, that's the thing. Hopefully you will be able to enjoy this in this video, so stay tuned for some more action. There's another motorcycle which is coming. Okay? I'll share some more videos.